Welcome back, staff, to another amazing year. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed your summer break. First of all, I'd like to introduce one of our new staff members, Mrs. Jane. She's going to be another great PE teacher for us. The next thing I want to bring up is some of our goals that we went over last year. Goal 1 was to help more students achieve better mile times. We will accomplish this by having the teacher be a pacer for the students. Goal number 2 is offer more variety of activities for the students for more engagement. We will accomplish this by working together as a team to create one new activity a quarter. And then goal 3 is attend one professional development this year. Everyone will research and bring one local PD to the table, and we will vote on which one to attend. The next thing I want to go over is the curriculum. Quarter 1, September, October football, and then quarter 2, November, December basketball. And the next thing I want to go over is let's see, new equipment. Equipment must be signed out by staff members with duration of use, rules, procedures for student use. Pick a couple of students to lay out flags for students to prevent tangling and unnecessary pulling. Same students collect at the supplies at the end and rubber band. Teacher will inspect all equipment when signed back in. And that's good for that. And the next thing is talking about the walkathon. In order to welcome kids back to school and get them back in to being physical, students will participate in their classes during their scheduled class time. Every so often a whistle will be blown. Once blown, it is expected for students to stop and introduce themselves to the closest person group to them. Whistle will blow again and students begin walking again. Jobs. Each teacher will be placed throughout the loop in order to monitor students. And then we're going to talk about professional development share. Mrs. Smith will share out some options for our professional development, and here she is.
Hey there. So these were the ones that we were talking about. We have the California Physical Education Workshop. It's located in San Luis Obispo, and it offers some new ideas for our curriculum and includes some new technology. I know that we don't really have too much of that right now. Then we have the Back to School Summit, which is a virtual one. It's coming up here pretty soon. It will allow for us to prepare for the school year and some of those impacts of COVID. It'd be a pretty quick turnaround from the time that we do it to when school starts. And then we have the 37th TAHPERD annual summer conference. And that one's in San Marco, Texas. It's kind of our wish one. It allows for strategies to help improve PE classes. And then it offers some physical education information, lifetime wellness. And yeah, that's it. So we don't have too much time to decide because they're all coming up pretty soon. It just kind of depends on how far we want to go and how quick we want to do it. So those are our options.
And that includes our meeting. If anyone has any questions or anything, just let me know. And then, well, I guess there is one more thing. I think we're going to vote on the development. So I guess we're going to vote 1, 2, or 3. And it looks like 1 is the winner. So it'd be San Luis Povispo. So that concludes the meeting. Thank you guys, and any questions or anything, just let me know, and thank you guys so much.